All right, we got ourselves a new feature on Avatar. It's called Avatar Friends. So let's go ahead and check it out. How you're gonna get to it is going into your menu in the upper left, and you'll notice that we now have the Friends option. So what you can do with this is you can add people who are using Avatar and connect to their trackers, so that way you can copy food, share recipes, do all kinds of stuff like that back and forth. So I'm gonna go over to Katie's tracker. So I'm now looking at her tracker on my app, and let's say that she let me borrow one of these protein shakes. So I'll just tap on that shake, and I'll click on Add to My Tracker. And so let's say I'll add that to today, and I had it for lunch. So what that's gonna do is add to my lunch. So now I'll tap to view, I'm back on my tracker, and there's that protein shake added to my lunch. And so you can add as many friends as you want who are using Avatar, and you can also share Avatar with your friends. So if you wanted to add more, you could invite. So you'll tap on invite friends here. It'll open up your contacts, and all these different contacts that are on your phone, you could then add to Avatar, or you can search for people on Avatar. Let me see if I can add myself. Springer. Yep, there's me and all my test accounts. So anyway, yeah, so that's basically how it works. And you just send an invite. Although this might be kind of weird because I can't invite myself, so I'll invite a test account. But anyway, that kind of shows you the process there. So it can really help with accountability if you're using Avatar with somebody else. Definitely highly recommend you trying this feature out, because just imagine that you go out to dinner, everybody's sharing food, or somebody orders something that's the same as you. If you don't want to look it up, you can just pull it over from their tracker, and it makes things super easy. Hope you enjoy these new features and updates, and if you like the video and like the features, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. Thank you.